What are you doing out there, Brooke? There's a fire. What'd you do, Brooke? What the hell did you do in there, Brooke? Oh Lord, wait a minute. Brooke, put some Brooke in it. What is that you doing, bro? Should I turn the light on so everybody can see you?
Do it.
Well, Brooke, you gotta put some doo-doo in it? Brooke, shut my light. You don't know what you're doing, Brooke. Yeah, turn it on. Let's see what you're doing. Alright. Just look at the fire trucks. Okay, go touch it. Nana, what'd you say about Brooke pooping herself again?
I said, I should poop in your face, put some doo-doo in it.
She's gonna poop in your face and put some doo-doo in it. Nana trying to rap.
Put some doo-doo in my mouth. I like doo-doo in my mouth.
Ew. What's so funny?
Doo-doo in my mouth. I like doo-doo in your mouth.
You're disgusting. You little doo-doo. You're a doo-doo head. This is Eyewitness News. No, this is Lud Witness News, right? This is the Lud Witness News. Here at the Allied Medical Center. Fire alarm going off. Fire truck is here. Everybody outside going crazy. Put the lights on. Put the lights on. Come on, let me see those lights. Beep that horn. What is wrong with you?
Anytime soon, the cops will come.
Oh, here comes the popo. Is this Eyewitness News? Oh, it's a popo. Look, it's a popo. It's Scranton's finest. He wants somebody's name, Brooke. You think you should give him your name?
I have too many records.
What he say? He's gonna go get jiggy with it? Oh, Popo's leaving. He got scared of you, Brooke. Told you stop looking at them. Oh, he's not. He's flashing his light at me. That's. Say bye, fire truck. Say bye. Bye, Popo. Call the Popo, huh? Well, the show's over.
No.
Now turn the light on. Everybody see what your face looks like.
Wait, not you.
Whatever. We'll go over there. Let me zoom in on this face. Wait. What is that? What you got up on there?
It's a rubber band.
Oh. It made your face... Oh, that makes your face look a lot better. Right there. Yeah, buddy. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. What you doing? Oh, it came off. You're ugly again. You gotta put it back on. Yep. There we go. All over again. Wait. Oh, you got it. You got it. You want to see ugly again? Let me see. Oh, my God. What the fuck is that?
She's picking a nose. You seen that?
No, the world did, though. Hi, Nana. You seen Nana, you seen Brooke pick her nose? There, she's ugly again. Oh, there you go. Oh, shit. Tell him how to do it. Show him how to do it. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Oh, shit, we got people Tom over here. He's watching you. Hey, make that face again. I think he wants to try do what you're doing. Show him how to do it. Put the rubber band on your face. Say, this is how you do it.
This is how I would do it.
Alright, show's over. Fire alarm's done.